Bluestar Linux is an Arch Linux-based distribution, built with an understanding that people want and need a solid operating system that provides a breadth of functionality and ease of use without sacrificing aesthetics. Bluestar is offered in 3 editions: Desktop, Desk Pro and Developer, each tailored to address the needs of a variety of Linux users. Bluestar can be installed permanently as a robust and fully configurable operating system on a laptop or desktop system, or it can be run effectively as a live installer and supports the addition of persistent storage for those who choose not to perform a permanent installation. Bluestar provides the following features: up-to-date 64-bit kernel version, Arch Linux 32-based 32-bit release, fast, optimized for performance, wide variety of applications, always current versions, full development, desktop, multimedia environment, Arch Linux-based distribution.